Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Math Teachers Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 3D chapter 3 linear equations into variables. Linear equations into variables of class 10 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So, students, before starting questions, I have discussed very important theory, that is the homogeneous system of equations. Homogeneous system of equation. What is the homogeneous system of equation? The system which is the form of a1x plus b1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2 equal to 0. Okay, this form of the linear equations, a1x plus b1 equal to 0 is the first linear equations, and the a2x plus b2 equal to 0, this is the second linear equation. So this system of this type of system of linear equations is called the homogeneous system of equations. Okay, so students, if यदि a1 by a2 do not equal to b1 by b2, if यदि a1 by a2 do not equal to b1 by b2, then it has zero solution. यदि a1 by a2, the ratio of the coefficient of x and do not equal to the ratio of the coefficients of y, then we say that this given system of linear equations has the zero solution. So it means x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. The solution of this system of linear equation is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 if यदि a1 by a2 do not equal to b1 by b2. अगर a1 by a2 और b1 by b2 का रेशियो जो है आपस में इक्वल नहीं है, तब हम कहेंगे कि इसका जीरो सॉल्यूशन होगा. इट मीन्स x इक्वल टू 0 एंड y इक्वल टू 0. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट केस 2 कि इफ यदि a1 by a2 एंड b1 by b2, अगर इफ हम कहो कि अगर a1 by a2 और b1 by b2 यानी कि द रेशियो ऑफ द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y, then we say that it has infinite number of non-zero solution. Infinite number of non-zero solution. So students, after that we say that the homogeneous system of equations is always consistent. Consistent, it means at least one solution. At least one solution, कम से कम एक सॉल्यूशन हो और एक सॉल्यूशन से ज्यादा, that is the consistent system of linear equation. So we say that कि homogeneous system of equations is always consistent system of linear equations. Okay, students, let's start exercise 3D. So this is the first question of exercise 3D. For that, the system of equations, this is the system of equation 3x plus 5y equal to 12 and 5x plus 3y equal to 4. This is the system of linear equations. Has a unique solution, has a unique solution, and solve it. So let's start, for students. Solution: given system of equations 3x plus 5y minus 12 equal to 0, 3x plus 5y minus 12 equal to 0, and 5x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, this system of linear equations in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So here a1 equal to 3 and a2 equal to 5, b1 equal to 5 and b2 equal to 3, and c1 equal to minus 12 and c2 equal to minus 4. Okay, has a unique solution. For a unique solution, we must have a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. That is a1 by a2 3 by 5 does not equal to 5 by 3. Okay. For a unique solution, a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. For a1 by a2, that is the a1 is 3 by 5, a2 is 5, and b1 by b2 equal to 5 by the given system of equation has a unique solution. Okay, so again 3x plus 5 by equal to 12, this is equation first, and 5 by x plus 3 by equal to 4, this is equation 2. Okay, so multiplying 1 into 3 and multiplying 2 into 5. Okay, so multiplying equation 1 by 3, multiplying equation 1 by 3 and 2 by 5. So 3 9x, 3 5 ja 15 by, and 12 3 ja, this is 36, and 5 5 ja 25x, 5 3 ja 15 by, and 5 4 ja 20. On subtracting साइन चेंज हो जाएगा 4 माइनस प्लस 15 बाई माइनस 15 बाई इज कैंसिल, माइनस 25x में 9x चला जाएगा, कितना बचेगा माइनस 16x इक्वल टू माइनस 20 एंड 36 प्लस 36 माइनस 20 इक्वल टू 16, so x equal to 16 by minus 16, that is minus 1, so x equal to minus 1. The value of x put in equation 1, the value of x put in equation first. Okay, for my first equation is 3x plus 5 by equal to 12, so 3x plus 5 by equal to 12, so this implies the value of x equal to minus 1, 3 into minus 1 plus 5 by equal to 12. Okay, so that is minus 3 plus 5 by equal to 12. So 5 by equal to 12 plus 3 equal to 15. So 5 by equal to 15 by 5 3 is 15. So by equal to 3. Hence x equal to minus 1 and by equal to 3 is the solution of this given system of linear equations. Okay, students, our next question is question number 4. Find the value of k. Find the value of k for which the system of the equations 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 and kx minus 6y minus 8 equal to 0 has a unique solution. मतलब k के किस वैल्यू के लिए सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस का यूनिक सॉल्यूशन होगा, k के किस वैल्यू के लिए कि इस सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस का यूनिक सॉल्यूशन होगा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिवन system of equations 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 and kx minus 6y minus 8 equal to 0. Students, this system of linear equations has the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1 equal to 2 and a2 equal to k, b1 equal to 3 and b2 equal to minus 6 and c1 equal to minus 5 and c2 equal to minus 8. And in the first equations, this is equation first and this is equation second. From the equation first, a1 equal to 2 and b1 equal to 3 and c1 equal to minus 5, and in equation 2, a2 equal to k and b2 equal to minus 6 and c2 equal to minus 8. Okay, for a unique solution we must have a1 by a2 do not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, so that is a1 by a2, 2 by k, do not equal to b1 by b2, 3y minus 6, 3y minus 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So 2 by k do not equal to 1 by minus 2. So k do not equal to minus 4. So students, the value of k do not equal to minus 4. Okay, माइनस 4 को छोड़कर के किसी भी वैल्यू के लिए दिस सिस्टम ऑफ गिवन लीनियर इक्वेशंस हैज ए यूनिक सॉल्यूशन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, our next question is question number 10. Question number 10, so that the system of equation, this system of equation 2x minus 3y equal to 5 and 6x minus 9y equal to 15 has an infinite number of solution. मतलब ये दिखाना है ये जो सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस का ये जो सिस्टम है इसका इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन होगा. चलिए, so let's start solution. First of all, given system of equations, 2x minus 3y, इस 5 को इधर ले आएंगे, माइनस 5 इक्वल टू 0, दिस इज इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, एंड 6x माइनस 9y, इस 15 को इधर ले आइए, माइनस 15 इक्वल टू 0, दिस इज इक्वेशन सेकंड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1 equal to 2, v1 equal to minus 3 and c1 equal to minus 5 and a2 equal to 6, b2 equal to minus 9 and c2 equal to minus 50. So here a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, that is 1 by 3, and minus 3 by minus 9, b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by minus cancel, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, that is 1 by 3, and c1 by c2, that is minus 5 by minus 15, minus can 5 1 is 5, 3 is 15, that is 1 by 3. Okay, so a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equal to 1 by 3 and c1 by c2 equal to a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so hence the given system of linear equation, hence the given system of linear equations has infinite infinite number of solution. So hence the given system of linear equations has an infinite number of solution. Okay, friends, our next question is question number 14. For what value of k के किस वैल्यू के लिए does the system of equations x plus 2y equal to 3 and 5x plus ky plus 7 equal to 0 have a unique solution? फर्स्ट नंबर में क्या है? have a unique solution and second number में it has no solution. And so that there is no value of k for which the system given system of equations has infinite many solutions. Let's start solution. Given system of equations x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, this is equation first, and 5x plus ky plus 7 equal to 0, this is equation second. Okay, so given system of linear equation is the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to 2 and c1 equal to minus 3. Okay, and a2 equal to 5, b2 equal to k and c2 equal to 7. Okay, so students, here a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 5, b1 by b2 equal to 2 by k and c1 by c2 equal to minus 3 by 7. Okay, case first for a unique solution. So it must have a1 by a2 do not equal to b1 by b2. Okay, so this implies a1 by a2 1 by 5 do not equal to b1 by b2 2 by k. 2 by k. This by cross multiplication k do not equal to 10. Okay, k do not equal to 10. Equal to 10. Thus all real value of k other than 10, other than 10, for all real value of k, k के सभी रियल वैल्यू के लिए अदर देन 10, 10 को छोड़कर the given system of linear equations has a unique solution. Okay, for all real value of k other than 10, 10 को छोड़कर k के सभी वैल्यू के लिए इस सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस का यूनिक सॉल्यूशन होगा. ओके, केस 2 फॉर नो सॉल्यूशन a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 do not equal to c1 by c2. This implies a1 by a2 1 by 5 equal to b1 by b2 2 by k and do not equal to c1 by c2 minus 3 by 7. Okay, so 1 by 5 equal to 2 by k and 2 by k do not equal to minus 3 by 7. So by cross multiplication k equal to 10 and k equal to 14 by minus k do not equal to 14 by minus 3. Okay, so the required value of k equal to 10. Okay, the required value of k equal to 10 or no solution. Okay. Now students, there is no value of k. There is no value of k for the given system of equations has infinite number of solutions. K